Elmore Park, nestled in the heart of Rugeley, Staffordshire, is a cherished local green space that offers visitors a peaceful retreat. Covering approximately 3.2 hectares, the park is a popular spot for families, nature lovers, and those seeking a quiet escape from the town's hustle and bustle. The park features a large pond at its centre, home to various waterfowl, including ducks, swans and geese. The serene waters and surrounding greenery make it an ideal location for strolls and wildlife watching. Fishing is also allowed, adding to its appeal for outdoor enthusiasts. In addition to its natural beauty, Elmore Park is equipped with a modern playground, making it a hit among younger visitors. The park's well-maintained paths and open spaces also provide ample room for picnics, dog walking and casual sports activities. The park hosts various community events throughout the year, such as fairs and outdoor concerts, fostering a sense of togetherness in the local community. Whether you're looking to unwind by the pond or enjoy a family day out, Elmore Park in Rugeley offers something for everyone. Its tranquil atmosphere and accessibility make it a beloved spot in the town. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this quiet stroll around the park, please consider subscribing, commenting and sharing.